Wisconsin Governor Scott Walker Snapchatting with a fan at Billy Goat, and soon after you could see him chomping down on one of the famous burgers, but he wouldn't talk. He wouldn't take the bait about fellow candidate Donald Trump, who today said that Wisconsin was a mess under Walker.
Okay, buddy.
Oh, look at that.
He can eat it while he's flipping, right? There we go.
There we go. Here we go.
Napkins are coming.
Who needs a napkin?
Is it hot?
Oh,
Okay,
it's
Scott's probably ready to.
Good.
Okay, okay.
Really hot.
We'll bite?
Here, Scott. All righty.
I'm eating for you guys.
Well, it's good, right?
But he clearly saved room for some ribs at Dreamland Barbecue in Birmingham.
We're going to get a cheesesteak, American cheese, no onions, kid. Yeah?
Walker sat with voters, chatted about politics over lunch, signed some autographs, and posed for pictures. He told reporters that picking between Pats and Geno's would be like picking a favorite between his sons.